I had to get a different cup. I had to get one that was not a Taco Bell cup.
Yes, sir.
Are there any scenes from Kill Bill 1 or 2 that were not used in the movie that you were in?
Are there any scenes from Kill Bill 1 and 2 that were not used in the movie that you were in?
All I know is that Quentin was only supposed to be shooting in Beijing for 2 weeks. And when he got over there, he was there for like 5 weeks. And he kept, Miramax and the Weinstein brothers were looking at all this footage that he was sending back, and I don't think that anybody wanted to stop him because everything was looking so good. And by the time he was having fun, but by the time we got to do my stuff here on Bakersfield, there was already like 4 hours worth of movie. And they didn't really know what to do with that because nobody wanted to chop any of it up. And so that's why it came out in 2 volumes. Because it was, long enough to be 3 movies, really. But that's why it was in 2 parts. When I was shooting that stuff in the trailer, he actually came up to me on that day and he said, can you believe it? They're talking about making this in 2 volumes. It's ridiculous. And I was like, yeah, man, it's ridiculous.